We're at what are we? We're at Slime Vagas. Slime Vagas Arizona Takeover. And we have a little section. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, so we're here with Morgan. She is with Mitzi Slime. Make sure you guys follow her on Instagram, YouTube, and that's about it. Make sure you follow her. She's doing the little slime Sunday. We're going to be doing a review on her slimes as well, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome. And we are doing like a little slime bar. You guys can kind of pick, we get one of each color and you get to pick your add-ins. The cookie cloud slime. So basically it's the Build-A-Bear, we call it. The Build-A-Bear cookie. It has cloud slime in the middle and then clay on the top and the bottom. Hey guys, so we hope you guys enjoyed our video. We want to give a big thank you to Cindy with Wish Upon a Star because she did put the event on. So it was Slime Vagas Arizona Takeover. It was here in Scottsdale. It was in a super nice resort. It looked like everybody that stayed there had a bunch of fun. We didn't stay there, but everybody else looked like they were having a ton of fun. And we hope you guys can see just a little bit of how fun a slime event can be. And it's not just for little kids. Grown adults go. It's really fun to go. And thank you guys for everybody that came by to our store, like to our little pop-up section. We had a bunch of fun meeting everybody. We did post a lot of you guys on our Instagram, and we just had a ton of fun. So just remember guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you guys went, or if you guys would have liked to have gone, or if you guys have gone to any other slime events. This was our first event, but it hopefully isn't our last. And we will be posting a lot more videos from now on. We're going to be posting basically like whatever we have in the store, toy reviews, surprise reviews, BT21, plushies, Amuse. We have a bunch of stuff coming guys, so stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell at the side of it so you guys can get notified when we upload the videos. Thank you guys. Bye.